In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for Argos Card. First, open your web browser and in the search bar type Apply for Argos Card. From the search results, choose the official Argos website. You'll recognize it by the argos.co.uk address. This ensures you're applying securely on the genuine site. Once you're on the Argos Card information page, scroll until you see the Apply Now button and click it. You'll be guided through a few short screens before the form begins. On the first screens, select Continue to move forward and take a moment to read any eligibility notes or privacy information so you know how your data will be used and that a credit check may be performed. When you see Get Started, click it to open the application. You'll begin with the About You section. Choose your title, then enter your first name, and if you have one, your middle name. Add your date of birth. Select your marital status and the number of dependents you're responsible for. Enter a valid email address you check regularly and a phone number where you can be reached. Make sure all details match what's on your official records to prevent delays. When everything looks correct, select Next section. You'll now be on step 2, which focuses on where you live. Provide your current address and your address history covering the last 2 years. If you've moved within that time, include previous addresses until the full 2-year period is covered. Use the postcode lookup if it's available, and double-check house numbers and dates you lived at each address. Step 3 covers finance details. Here, enter the bank and financial information requested. Be accurate and honest as lenders verify these details to assess affordability and prevent fraud. Only provide information directly on the form and avoid sharing sensitive data anywhere else. Finally, you'll reach the submission stage. Review every section carefully, correct any typos, and make sure contact details are up to date. Read the statements and declarations, then submit your application. In many cases, you'll see a decision on screen. Sometimes Argos may need a little more time or ask for additional verification. Keep an eye on your email for updates. That's the full process from search to submission. Pause the video at any point while you complete each section, and when you're ready, start your application with confidence.